from Rapid Design Company, and today we will be presenting to you guys our clothesline. My name is Sarah Al Hassan.
I'm Mohammed Al Hassan.
I'm Mustafa Al Casey. I'm Morgan Al-Nabi.
And I'm Adam Bunny.
Okay, so when we were first presented with the project, we were told that we had to come up with a clothesline that is highly innovative and has multi-uses. So there were some specific functional requirements that were asked of us, and of those, basically it needed to have the capacity to carry a full load. It also needed to be lightweight, and it needed to have multiple uses, and we also had to incorporate other uses into it, and the company that we're working with is Windsor Works, and we were lucky enough that the client company has multiple manufacturing facilities, meaning that we have several, we have a bigger budget, and we have other materials that we're allowed to use. Now we're going to talk to you guys about our concepts. We're going to start with the first concept.
Figure 1 is my concept. I basically incorporated 2 poles with a rope recoiling system connecting in the middle of the rope. This allows for easy setup and easy disassembly. The poles have hinges in the middle, making it more compact and easy to take to places. The first legs are to be used on a soft surface. If you were to use it on concrete or anywhere else, you can simply open them and it can be useful there too. The product can also be used as a volleyball net on a camping trip, for example.
So the second concept, which is mine, basically has a telescope leg, making it compactable. And the top is an umbrella, it can be twisted into an umbrella as well as a tabletop. And the center of the pyramid has a solar panel. And this solar panel powers the bug zapper that can be used at night. And next concept.
Okay, so my concept is figure 3, and mine basically has 2 uses. The first use is obviously as a portable clothesline, and I attached strings at the ends of the base and could also carry a maximum weight of 1 load. I also added hinges both on the base and on the legs, so it reclines and becomes more compatible. The second use I decided to have is a normal plastic tabletop that you could use in the backyard as a table, and this also has hinges so it could be easily storable. My concept is figure number 4, and just pretty much it's a suitcase you hold. You can open it. You can use it as a chest table if you put it horizontally, and if you put it on the floor, you open it like a normal suitcase. You plug the handle, just like the tables now they have the locks. You lock it, and you have your clothesline.
My concept has two parts. The first one is the base, and the second one is the top part. The base includes, from the top, the lights, and the bottom of the light, and we have the outlet, and last thing is the wheels. The second part includes 2 things. The first one is the hangers from the left side of the top, and the second one is the umbrella. And I added at the bottom of the top part support leg for the extra weight.
So through this decision matrix process, we decided on a final product, and our final product is basically composed of 2 concepts. The first concept is the canvas body structure, and the canvas body structure really innovates the portable clothesline to be the first. As you can see, we also added the telescope structure of sawdust so it could go down and be more compact. The second concept that really changed our product too is this solar panel. And the solar panel really gives us a lot of options to add a lot of features to our product.
Compared to the other portable clothesline in the market, our product provides extra features. These features are, first of all, the solar panel that we added at the top view, at the top part. And the second one is the power cord and the outlet, so you can charge your phone or charge your laptop. And the third thing is the light source. The light source is located at the top part. And the last thing, we have the umbrella. So umbrella, basically, if you want to use it, you just push in there so the umbrella comes out. And if you need it, you just push in again so it goes inside.
Alright, so this design actually fixed a lot of problems with the normal clothesline. The fact, like, if anyone tried the normal clothesline, when you come in and put the clothes on, like, if you don't balance the clothes correctly, it's just gonna fall down on the floor, slide either side. And if someone bumps into it or kids are playing beside it, they hit it, and all the clothes are just gonna fall down. For this one, we used hooks. Hooks are actually really good because you can just use both hooks to hook whatever clothes you want to do, and that's it. Like, even if someone bumps to it, nothing's gonna happen to it. The fact that it has wheels is actually amazing because has anyone tried moving the normal one before? You actually can't get a grip of it except from your middle. And if you want to come, you have to hold it from the front, and you have to put your hands between where it closes. So when you lift it up, it actually has so much weight on it, so it's going to put a lot of pressure against your hand. It's going to hurt. For this one, you can just use the wheels, move it wherever you want, and it's good. And it's not as small as the normal one when it's closed, but it's nice when it's open because it doesn't take a lot of space, and you can just put it beside the wall and it won't bother anyone. And you can also plug it into the wall, and you can use it as a power source as well.
Our final design meets all the functional requirements set by our client company, Windsor Wheel Works. We decided to make it 30% recyclable, and aside of that, since you're using a clothesline, it's so much more environmentally friendly than using a dryer, just because you're not using the amount of electricity it takes. Our design is very highly innovative. It incorporates so many different uses a user might find useful. And like whether you're using it indoors, outdoors, on a camping trip, there's so much different things it can do for you that you'll find useful. Because of that, our product can be priced competitively. We can set a decent price for it. In the future, we'd like to improve quality and increase life expectancy of the product. People want what they're paying for. A lighter clothesline, possibly cheaper without sacrificing quality and durability. Thank you for taking the time and considering our final design. We hope to have met and possibly exceeded your expectations.
Good job, brother.
Yes, it does. The fact that it has a telescope leg, meaning that it can be like pushed in. So
متفقين على السؤال.
Not a small suitcase if you're asking, but he said what? It's a clothesline.
the top is also foldable, so it is like
It folds down and it goes into the big hole.
How is your product cheaper if it has a solar panel on it?
Well, if you look at prices on the websites, a lot of the clotheslines range from like, there are some really cheap ones that they're just the normal clothesline, but there are some that range to up to like $180 to $200. We are roughly pricing ours around $140. Although the solar panel quality is not really good, that's why our improved one is going to have a better solar panel.
And solar panels nowadays is not really that expensive because you know the one you have in your calculator, it's pretty small. So and they make it in China, so it costs literally